Welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to fix why Instagram messages disappear. Let's go. First of all, open up your Google Play Store or App Store. Then tap on the search bar up top and search for Instagram. Then update the app, if the update is available. If the update is not available, then delete it and install it again. After that, go over to your settings. Then scroll down, search for Instagram. Then when you are on this screen, tap, you want to give permission for all of these. Toggle on this options. Then restart your device and log back into Instagram. Also, Instagram can sometimes experience technical glitches that can cause chats to disappear. Try logging out of your account and then logging back in to see if the chat reappears. Sometimes the most common reason for Instagram DMs not working is server mix-ups or an outage. It can not only cause problems with your messages, but even with posts, reels, and general use. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.